Hello everybody, it is VEDA day 21. I apologize, I don't even have VEDA 20 out yet. It will be before the end of the day. I had to run to the store. It is freezing cold. I borrowed Ronnie's jacket because I'm headed over to my in-laws, who are my neighbors, with stuff to have tacos with them today for lunch. He walked over there while I was with a neighbor at Walmart. You can see all my stuff down here. I still have yet to put away. So anyways, that is what's going on today. So welcome to VEDA 21. Went to Walmart. They were very busy. I ran into some people that I haven't seen in a while. One of my friends, which by the way, some of you guys watch me, so hello Tammy if you're watching. She's become blonde and she had a mask on and I did not even recognize her because she changed her hair color. I'm like, what the heck did you do to your hair? I don't even know who you are. But anyways, I'm headed over to my mother and father-in-law's for tacos for lunch, and then Ronnie and I will come back and I will put away all the groceries and everything that I purchased from the store. And then hopefully I need to spend about an hour upstairs cleaning today, so we'll see what kind of trouble I can get into. But I gotta tell you, I gotta go eat. I am so hungry. I put Ronnie to work.
I have talked to the other partners, and we are prepared.
Now, if you hit anything with it, you can't hurt nothing.
How am I doing?
You're doing real good. But you gotta get over there by the front door real good. That's where the big track mark is. You know, when we be sure to hit that trigger a couple times.
I will.
Public restaurant. I think you're overreacting just a little bit, and I appreciate your concern, but, well, I wouldn't want it said that I had someone else fight my battles for me. I don't think you're being...
Just go straight across over there in front of the door. Not sure if you can see this, but it is snowing like it has to. Can you guys see the snow? There we go. I can't believe this. Yesterday, people was walking around in shorts. Today, snowfall. Tons and tons of snowfall. I'm on the upper deck, by the way. That's unreal. I am in my office, and this just got put out, and it is after 6 o'clock. So I am late getting day 20 out. But I have done good so far. I've done so good. And anyhow, finally got that one out, and I'm editing a little bit of what I filmed today. So Ron and I are going to have some tea, and he is having just the Celestial tea bag. That one is Peach Passion. He loves that. Yes, we are still scoring our Valentine's Day mugs. And I'm going to have this peppermint green tea. I'm not really into too many fruity teas. I don't know why. I just never really have been into that very much. I don't know why. But anyhow, I'm going to do the green tea, and my tea kettle is heating up, and then we will warm up. It started to snow outside, and I just got so chilly. I told him I wanted something warm, but I didn't want coffee, and I think this is really the way to go. Well guys, I didn't film too much today, but it is time to go to bed. Tomorrow I get my Pfizer shot, number 2, my booster, so wish me luck. I'm going to go have that done. Had a very full day, and it was really tiring all day because we went from having really gorgeous 70-degree weather to it snowing. It's just crazy. It's just crazy. I talked to my son Dylan, and he was like, I'm just over this weather. And I am too. I am too. So anyhow, my camera went dead, so I couldn't film anymore this evening. But our typical evening of Dallas. And then I had a peanut butter with banana. And Ronnie had peanut butter, just a peanut butter sandwich. He doesn't like bananas, but I do. So I had a peanut butter and banana sandwich, and he had a glass of milk, and I had water, and that was our snack tonight. And we're going to head to bed. So, thank you so much for watching my channel. If you are new, please hit that subscribe button, because I'd love for you to be a part of my channel. Keep your fingers crossed, guys, that the shot that I get doesn't make me too yucky where I can't video. I've been really like worried about it, and almost thought maybe I should just like video something today as a backup for a day. But I'm going to take you along on my journey, on my Pfizer journey tomorrow. We'll see how it goes. Hopefully it goes really well and it's not an issue. So that is the plan of plans. And yeah, so I'm going to hit the hay. I'm so tired. It is time to go to bed. But thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a fantastic day. Good night, guys.
Good night.